Okay, there's a tornado and it's kind of over us.
It's still like, yeah, it's swirling right over us.
I just went to film outside and then...
You got blown back in.
Yeah, a big gust of wind blew me in.
This wind's nothing. This was worse before. As you can see, the lawn furniture went everywhere. Oh, look at that hail. You see those huge chunks of hail? Oh my God, they're like snowballs.
If I zoom in...
You can hear them. Oh, jeez. You can hear them.
If you can hear the thumping, that's the hail. And
look at their tennis balls.
You see the hail hitting the ground?
Oh my God. Something just went flying off up there, you see it? A kite or something.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my God.
This is what Colorado's summer weather's like.
I was laying out an hour ago.
Jamie's watching it too. Jamie.
There's a bunch of stuff flying up in the sky. Do you see it? You see all that stuff flying around?
It,
Look at this. Go outside quick and tape it for them.
keep hold of him. Lady, stay. Okay. There's some hail. I can see all the stuff flying around in the sky.
I don't have any phone anymore. Daddy, come back
No, that's too much to be out there.
Okay, that's getting a bit sketchy. Okay.
Grandma wants to move to Colorado now, huh? Look at all that stuff. Oh my God, that's crazy. Oh, Jesus. This is like hurricane winds. You know, I'm gonna go to the basement.
Okay. Well, we're going to the basement.
Oh my God.
Oh, and there goes our gutter. Our gutter's just formed there. Okay, we're going to the basement. Bye bye.